You're too easy for it. Peace, bro. I'm out. Later. Peace, bro. Right up and over. Like nothing. I don't even need speed anymore, dog. Like, do you know how much that has improved this rig? Oh shit, am I gonna get it? Oh, fuck, bro, I got my own path. Well, bro, I am a serious fucking force to reckon with. Did you just dig that out? Did you just dig that out, bro?
No, I don't think so.
What do you mean I don't think so? Was it you? I don't care.
I dug it out the last time.
Oh, did ya?
Come on.
Dude, did you see how easy I just went up this?
What?
You didn't see how easy I went up this, did ya?
Yeah, I did.
Come on, what? What's wrong?
I shifted it accidentally.
Oh.
So it was going down
A little speed. A little pep. Oh. Oh! Oh, is he gonna be able to keep it? Oh, yeah. Keep going. Yeah. One more. Oh, yeah. Left. Yeah. Oh! That was almost so prime, bro. Damn, that is quite a hill right there now, ain't it? I think the cross can go right up it, bro.
I got myself stuck.
Why are you so stuck? Because you're on the wrong side of that route?
No, I just said I got myself so stuck. Oh yeah, I got so much overhang on that freaking route.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It's gonna be hard to. Yeah. Back. Yeah. Oh, it's gonna be hard. Is that what it sounds like, Joe? Ooh, look at it eat. Yes. Oh, look at that tire, dude. I love them tires. I need to get me a set of them. Oh, did you really? Yeah. Oh, them tires are nice. Ooh, and he's got it.
Professional Yoda driver.
Now we gotta go. Yes, sir. Now we gotta go try the side hill.
Yep,
Ooh.
there you go.
Oh, my controller's off. Oh, my controller's dead. Do you have a micro USB battery or cord? No. I need to go get a micro USB cord. Fuck. Oh, and my phone battery.